Good morning, students. Chapter is going on. Third chapter is going on. Linear equation in pair of linear equation in two variables. And the topic we discussed yesterday, substitution method. There are three methods to solve the pair of linear equation in two variables. Now, one method we discussed yesterday, substitution method, and today I will discuss elimination method. What is elimination method? Three questions, statement questions were left yesterday. Today we will discuss and to solve that questions with this method, because in the statement question there is not given how to solve these questions with this method or this method. So I will solve those three questions of exercise 3.3 with the elimination method. First, I will tell you what is elimination method. I will take one question. X plus y equal to 5 and 2x minus 3y equal to 4. आप साथ साथ नोट करते जाओ कि how to solve this question, how to find the values of x and y by this method with the elimination methods. Your copies will be checked. Already Jitendra sir told you. So first, how will you solve these two equations? There are given two equations and substitution method. Already I told you, take out the one value and substitute in the second equation. But in the elimination method, you have to make the equal variable first and then you can remove it by adding or subtracting. So these variables are not equal. Here the coefficient is 1, here the coefficient is 2. Coefficient of x is 2, coefficient of x is 1. And here the coefficient of y is plus 1 and coefficient of y is minus 3. And 5 and 4 are the constant number. So how will you equal these variables? Then the step is multiply equation 1 by 3. When I multiply equation 1 by 3, then it becomes 3x. Multiply equation 1 by 3. So 3x plus 3y equal to 3 5s are 15. I multiply equation 1 by 3. So it becomes now 3x plus 3y equal to 3 5s are 15. And your second equation remains the same. 2x minus 3y equal to 4. Now these two variables are same. Plus 3xy, plus 3y and minus 3y. Both are same. You can cancel it by adding the two equations. Equation number 3 and equation number 2. By adding equation 3 and 2. Okay, when you add it, here is plus 3y, here is minus 3y. Both the digits are same, variable are same, so it will be cancelled because plus sign and minus sign is given. When you add these two equations, 5x equal to 15 plus 4, 19. Then the value of x is 19 upon 5. Okay. Then you put the value of x in equation number 1 and 2, any one of the equation. Okay. Then put the value of x in equation 1. Your equation 1 is x plus y equal to 5. You put the value of x 19 upon 5 plus y equal to, in place of x, I put the value of 19 upon 5 plus y equal to 5. So y equal to 5 minus 19 upon 5. When you transpose on the right hand side, it becomes 19 upon 5. So y equal to, take the LCM of 5 upon 1 and minus 19 upon 5. 5 5 are 25 minus 19. It becomes 6 upon 5. Okay. So the value of y is 6 upon 5 and the value of x is 19 upon 5. Yesterday I told you how to verify your answer is correct or not. So take any one of the equation to do the verification of the question or check the answer. You do the verification. X plus y equal to 5. Here the value of x is 19 upon 5. This is your left hand side. When the left hand side equate with the right hand side, okay, when the left hand side equate with the right hand side, then your this answer are correct. And y is given 6 upon 5. Take the LCM. 19 plus 6, it become 25 upon 5. So left hand side is also 5 and right hand side is also 5. 5 equal to 5. This is your verification or check of your answer. So this is called the elimination method. Elimination means I eliminate the one variable to find the value of the variable. Okay. By making it equal, how you can equal it? You can make I will start again. I will network problem. Yes, student, I will again explain this question, how you will use the elimination method. First equation is given x plus y equal to 5 and second equation is given 2x minus 3y equal to 4. To eliminate, I have do the variable y, I have to be equal by multiplying equation 1 by 3. So 3x plus 3y equal minus 3y equal to 4. Here sign is plus and minus. So by adding equation 3 and 4, it is cancelled. And 3 plus 2, 5x equal to 19. So x equal to 19 upon 5. Now put the value of x in any equation. Equation number 1 or 2. X plus y equal to 5. I put the value of x 19 upon 5 equal to 6 upon 5. Now I do the verification of this question also. Now I will take some statement question which were left yesterday and solve it by the elimination method, not by the substitution method. Okay. Today we will do the elimination method. Because in the statement question, it is not mentioned you will use this or that method. A fraction become 9 upon 11. What is fraction? First, you will see what is fraction. A fraction become by numerator upon में denominator. Okay. So how you make the okay. I will repeat the statement again and you will see in your NCERT book exercise 3.4 question number 3rd का 5th part है. A fraction become 9 upon 11 if 2 is added to both numerator and denominator. When in the numerator and denominator, first what is fraction? Fraction become by numerator upon denominator. And if we add 2 on both the side, numerator and denominator, it become 9 upon 11. So by multiply together, cross multiply 11 into x plus 2 equal to 9 into y plus 2. So 11x plus 22 equal to 9y plus 18. Then 11x minus 9y equal to 18 minus 22. Then 11x minus 9y equal to minus 4. This is your first equation. Okay. And your second equation is if 3 is added to both numerator and denominator. If 3 is added to both numerator and denominator, your fraction become 5 upon 6. So by cross multiply, 6 multiply x plus 3 equal to 5 multiply y plus 3. Okay, by cross multiply, so 6x plus 18 equal to 5y plus 15. So 6x minus 5y equal to 15 minus 18. Now 6x minus 5y equal to minus 3. This is your second equation. Now how you will solve this question? By the substitution method or elimination method? How you will solve this? First you have to, here the coefficient of x is 11. Here the coefficient of x is 6. Both are not equal. And coefficient of y is minus 9 and coefficient of y is minus 5. Okay, both are not equal. So how you will equal it? By the elimination method, you will solve this question. There are the two equations now. The first one is 11x minus 9y equal to minus 4. And your second equation is 6x minus 5y equal to minus 3. How will you solve these two of the equation? So then I will solve these equations by multiplying equation 1 by 6 and equation 2 by 11. Then it become the 66x. It also become the 66x. And both the sign are plus. So how will you subtract them? By subtracted equation 2 from 1. So 66x minus 54y equal to minus 24. And when you multiply equation 2 by 11, then it also becomes 66x minus 55y equal to minus 33. Here both the sign are equal. Plus plus sign is given. Then subtract equation 2 from 1. This is your equation 2 and this is your equation 1. You can give the another name also, equation 3 and equation 4 also. Then you subtract equation 4 from equation 3. So while subtracting, the sign are change. So plus 66 cancel with the minus 66. Then 55 plus and 54 minus. Then it equal to y equal to 33 minus 24. It is equal to 9. Plus 33 or minus 24. Plus 33, subtract 24 from 33, it equal to 9. Now put the value of y in equation 1. Your equation 1 is 11x minus 9y equal to minus 4. Now put the value of y in place of y, put the value of y equal to 9. Then 11x minus 9 into 9 equal to minus 4. Okay. Then it is equal to 11x minus 81 equal to minus 4. Okay. You take out minus 81 on the right hand side. Subtract 81. Subtract 4 from 81. It is equal to 77. So the value of x is 7. Now in this question you have to find the fraction also. So fraction is become by numerator upon my denominator. Your numerator is x and it is equal to 7. Your denominator is y, so it is 9. Then this is the answer of this question, 7 upon 9. Okay. Again, you will see I have solved this question by the by your next exercise method, elimination method. Okay, you can solve this by the substitution method also, but today our topic is the elimination method, so I solved this question by the elimination method. So our two equations are 11x minus 9y equal to minus 4, and this is your second equation, 6x minus 5y equal to minus 3. So what is the elimination method? You have to you have to do the equal variables. You have to find the equal variables, equal coefficient also. So these are the coefficient of x is 11, and here the coefficient of x is 6. Here it is minus 9 and minus 5. Both are not equal. So to become equal, I have to multiply equation 1 by 6. इसे बराबर करने के लिए मैंने इक्वेशन 1 को मल्टीप्लाई किया 6 से और इक्वेशन 2 को मल्टीप्लाई बाय 11. So it becomes 66x minus 54y equal to minus 24, and it is 66x minus 55y equal to minus 33. Okay, now both the sign are equal, plus plus sign are given, so subtract equation from 4th from 3. So sign are changed now. This is plus, it become minus, minus become plus, and minus become plus. Then plus 55 minus 54, it is y, and plus 33 minus 24, it is equal to 9. Now put the value of y in equation first. Equation first is 11x minus 9y equal to minus 4. Now put the value of, in place of y, put the value of 9. 9 9 ja 81, transpose minus 81 on right hand side. Now subtract 4 from 81, it becomes 77. So the value of x is 7. You have to find in this question the fraction also. Fraction become by numerator upon denominator. So your numerator is 7 and denominator is 9. So then answer is 7 upon 9. I will take the last question of exercise 3.3 also, statement question, and solve it by the elimination or substitution, both the method I will use. And you will try exercise 3.4 by this method. 5 years hence, hence means after. When your age is now 15 years, so after 5 years you become 20 years. Same question. 5 years hence, the age of Jacob will be 3 times that of his son. Let the present age of Jacob be x year, and present age of his son be y year. Okay. After 5 years, Jacob age be, after 5 years, Jacob age be x plus 5 years, and after 5 years, his son age be y plus 5 years. According to the equation, what is given in the question? After 5 years, the age of Jacob will be 3 times of his son. After 5 years, Jacob ki age is x plus 5, but it become 3 times. 3 into y plus 5. It become 3 times his son is. So x plus 5 equal to 3y plus 3 5 ja 15. So your first equation is transpose 3y on the left hand side and 15 minus 5. It become x minus 3y equal to 10. This is your first equation. Now your second equation is 5 years ago. Let your age be now 15 years. So 5 years ago, your age be the 10 years. You have to subtract it. 5 years ago, Jacob was 7 times of his son age. Then 5 years ago, Jacob age be x minus 5 year, and 5 year ago his son age be y minus 5 year. So according to the equation, 5 years ago Jacob was 7 times. Jacob, age of Jacob be 7 times of his son age. 7 multiplied by y minus 5. So x minus 5 equal to 7y minus 35. You multiply the equation by 7. 7y minus 35. Then your second equation is minus 35. First 7y transpose on the left hand side, it become minus 7y, and minus 5 on the right hand side, it become plus 7, plus 5. So your second equation is x minus 7y equal to minus 30. These are your two equations, and you solve it by both the methods, substitution and elimination. Both the methods, use both the methods and solve the question. These are the two equations. First one is x minus 3y equal to 10, and second equation is x minus 7y equal to minus 30. Okay, so first we use the elimination method. Okay, here both are equal. Coefficient of x is 1, coefficient of x is also 1. So subtract equation 2 from 1. Minus plus plus, sign will be changed. Okay, then it is plus and this is minus, and variable is also same. So plus 7y minus 3y, it become plus 4y, and plus 30 plus 10, it become plus 40. Then the value of y is 4 10 ja 40. Value of y is equal to 10. So put the value of y. Put the value of y in any equation, 1 or 2. In equation 1, your equation 1 is x minus 3y equal to 10. So put the value of y equal to 10. So x minus 3 into 10, x minus 30 equal to 10. So x equal to 10 plus 30. So Jacob is be 40 years. Answer आप कैसे, how you will write? The Jacob is be 40 years and his son is be 10 years. Okay, I use the elimination method in this question, but while you are using the substitution method, how you will solve this question? X minus 3y equal to 10. This is your first equation. So then you will take one value, minus 3y, transpose on the right hand side, it become x equal to 10 plus 3y, and put the value of x. This is your substitution method, which I already told you yesterday. Now I am telling you both the method. Okay, so first take out one value. I put here x and 3y transpose on the right hand side. So 10 plus 3y, put the value of x in equation 2. Take out the value of one equation and substitute in the second equation, equation 2. Your equation 2 is x minus 7y equal to minus 30. This is your second equation. So in place of x, put the value of 10 plus 3y minus 7y equal to minus 30. Take 10 on the right hand side and subtract 3y from 7y minus 7y. It is equal to minus 4y, and minus 30 minus 10. minus 40. So the value of y is 10. Here it is also 10. Okay. By the using both the methods, value will remains the same. So y equal to 10 is 10. The son age is 10 years, and put the value of y. Put the value of y in equation, this one, third equation. In equation third is x equal to 10 plus 3y. You put in place of y 10. So the value of x is 10 plus 30. You can use any method to solve these questions. If it is not mentioned in the question, which method you have to use. Okay, this is your substitution method and this is the elimination method. Okay, now if you have any query regarding the elimination or substitution method, then you can ask